see the run with your bitch. Butterfly doors on the bench. Running through bands, I'm rich. Everything.
What's going on, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. If you guys are new here, I'm Adrian. I post videos on my 2018 Mustang GT and now on a 2008 BMW 335i I just picked up. So for today's video, I'm going to be taking the E90 out, going for a drive, throwing you guys on the GoPro, and yeah, we're going to just do some POV driving. It's not as exciting because it isn't manual, it's an automatic. It does have the paddle shifters though, which is fun. But yeah, let's go out, see how this car handles, just go out for a drive. So yeah, I'll throw you guys on the GoPro and we'll go from there. See you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so we are on the GoPro now. I'm going to be, like I said, driving up here to a spot and recording the video for you guys. So yeah, let's give you guys some POV driving of the stock 2008 335i. Let's put it into sport. Spinning a little bit. It's so quiet. This thing handles so good. We got some bikers. Yeah, so many bikers out today. Definitely needs an exhaust. tires too, it's not gripping. Alright guys, looks like we got a service engine light. Damn. Let's see what it is.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Let me turn it off, turn it back on, see what that does. Oh nice, it went away. I thought I had just fucked it up and got that on camera. Alright guys, just made it up here. There she is. Yeah, I replaced a couple things on it yesterday. Got the serpentine belt done, and then I also have the cabin air filter. So I'm gonna throw that one on today. But yeah, she's running pretty solid. I was having that little issue right now. The service engine light came on. So yeah, let's see. Maybe you guys can help me out. Let's see if it goes away. Nope, see, it's still there. Gotta go scan it, see what it could be. Well, I guess it's true what they say, that N54s have their issues. Well, I'm sure we'll get it fixed. I'm gonna scan the code, see what it is, and then I'll make an update video on what the issue is. So yeah, I'm about to drive it home now. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed that little POV driving, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. So yeah guys, see you guys on the next one.
I'm on ocean with a bad hoe, top down, she got fluid out on the backseat with a stendo, smoking endo, my jewels out.